Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at a Huawei P20. So what we need is next to the phone a pin, and it is part of the box. So just remove this one, and here you have the pin, and to remove it you go with your finger like this and press a bit and it will come out, and then you remove it just like that. Otherwise you could use also a paper clip, so the edge from the paper clip. Okay, so with the edge of that pin, you enter the small hole in here on the side of the phone, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So on the top you will see SIM 1, and here on above you will see SIM 2. So the first SIM card you put like that, missing corner, the contacts are below. And if you have a second SIM card, you could enter it in here, like this. So also missing corner, and the contacts are below. And that construction you put back into the phone, like this. And it's done. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want, you can leave me maybe a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Or you can follow also one of my other videos. I will do some for the P20 as well. And yeah, thank you so much. And maybe until next time. Ciao.